Let's bring in meteorologist Alan Rose to take a look at our forecast. And Alan, yeah, is winter even close to us in Colorado?
Tony, it could be about 5 days away. Now this morning, as you mentioned, we are tracking some snow showers moving across the Great Lakes region. My brothers in Dayton, Ohio just sent my dad and I in the group chat a picture, about an inch of accumulation there. They could still see another 1 to 3 inches before that storm pulls away. So in the short term, to answer Tony's question, no, winter is not on the horizon. Instead, high pressure building into the west coast, and that's going to boost your temperatures quite a bit from what we saw over the weekend. Highs on Sunday were only in the 40s to low 50s on the plains. Look at the difference today. Highs building back to the mid to upper 60s for both the Springs and Pueblo. Now we could see a few spots close to 70, maybe up towards Denver with a high of 71. Most of us here in southern Colorado will peak in the 60s. Some of our cooler mountain valleys today out towards Saguache and Alamosa, your highs in the upper 50s. But sort of a two-part forecast, right? In the short term, no, there's no signs of winter. In the long term, could be a pattern change brewing. We've got this large trough of low pressure that'll push some mountain snow across the west coast into the Rocky Mountain states through the start of the weekend. I think the main low for us is going to divide into two pieces, and that southerly track is a little too far south to do much outside of the high country, at least for now. But I got to tell you, the models keep going back and forth on the solution of that cutoff low. Still about 5-6 days out, but it looks like this weekend snow in the mountains, and I'd say at least a slight chance we get some rain and snow showers for the Springs or I-25 towards Saturday. So you can see on Futurecast here, we get some snow building towards Friday. And then looks like the model keeps most of it west of I-25, but this is only one run of one model. So other models I've looked at have shown a chance for at least some light snow showers in the Springs and the Pikes Peak region by Saturday. Before we get there, no real chance of precip, only around a 10% shot on Friday. Similar setup in Pueblo. We'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies this week and about a 10% chance of a shower on Friday afternoon. So for the next 7 days, going to be a warm start to that extended forecast. Showers possible on Saturday. That's the day we're going to continue to watch very closely. But before we get there, a few days that could be right again near record-setting territory. Tuesday's high of 71, right near the record of 73. Now for Pueblo, we'll see 60s today, but 70s each day after that through Friday. And then a sharp drop in temperatures. For now, I'd say rain probably if we get the moisture, but depending on the timing, right? If it comes at night with that low of 23, there could be some flakes as well. Canyon City, you'll see 60s and 70s this week with upper 40s on Saturday and lower 50s to follow on Sunday. For Woodland Park, nice for the next few days, especially Veterans Day with a high of 63. Friday turns gusty, and then the weather gets much cooler and potentially unsettled into the upcoming weekend.